Some breaking news just coming in. A court has sent former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to the custody of the Enforcement Directorate till the 6th of November. So the ED has managed to secure the custody of Anil Deshmukh for further interrogation in connection with the Hafta Gate case, and this custody is till the 6th day of November. That's a big story breaking at this. Vidya is getting us more details on that front. Vidya, in fact, the ED was wanting this for further investigations and to question Anil Deshmukh. Yesterday, the interrogation also was going on. Today, it lasted for 12 hours, after which he was picked up. At this point in time, the ED would want to build a strong case against Anil Deshmukh, who finally yesterday appeared before the enforcement agency, isn't it?
Well, there is the Enforcement Directorate had asked for a custody of 14 days. In fact, they wanted longer custody, but the court right now has allowed only a custody of about 4-5 days. Only till Saturday, the custody has been allowed, and his lawyer, Anil Deshmukh's lawyers, had vehemently opposed the custody, stating very clearly that in the Bombay High Court, the lawyers had of the Additional Solicitor General and others representing the ED had told the court very categorically that he was only a suspect and not an accused. In spite of the submissions, what has changed between 29th of September to 29th of November to now is something that needs to be explained. However, the court felt it right enough that because of the fact that the investigation was still at the preliminary stage, the court needed to see to it that the investigation is proceeded further, and for that the custody of Anil Deshmukh has been granted to the Enforcement Directorate.
Yes, so former Home Minister of Maharashtra Anil Deshmukh is now in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate till the 6th of November. In fact, Vidya was telling us that the ED wanted further custody, but they have Anil Deshmukh in custody till the 6th of November, at least for the time being. And as of now, given that he was in fact skipping all the summons, Vidya, not really cooperating with the investigations, do tell us more about what your sources within the ED are indicating about the kind of evidence that they have against Deshmukh up until now.
Well, according to the Enforcement Directorate, they have ample evidence. Though during the entire arguments that we saw, Anil Deshmukh's lawyers very clearly said that whatever evidence that they are talking about is only from the time when he was an MLA, before he became the Home Minister, which is from before 2019. However, the Enforcement Directorate clearly told the court that they have ample evidence right now and they don't need to show it to them. They do have, and they do need to investigate further to find out how the layering of money has been done by him, to see to it that through Hawala, a lot of transactions were made. The money that was extorted from many businessmen around Mumbai and Maharashtra, how that money went into the various trusts held by Deshmukh. So that entire investigation is still remaining, though they have a lot of information and evidence is what they have told the court.
All right, Vidya, thanks for getting us all of those details. Vidya, with that big story developing where Anil Deshmukh has now been arrested, and of course 4 days up until the 6th of November, which means 4 days starting today, the ED has the custody of Anil Deshmukh, who's been arrested in the Hafta Gate scandal. So the news really, Divyesh, is tightening around the former Home Minister, where the ED has his custody for 4 days, Divyesh, and will use this time to interrogate and question him further, given that he had been skipping all summons all this while for many, many days together, isn't it?
Well, Sneha, Anil Deshmukh, who was arrested last night by the Enforcement Directorate, was produced in court, and the court has now remanded Anil Deshmukh to ED custody till the 6th of November. So he'll remain for 4 more days. Anil Deshmukh will remain in ED custody, where he'll be interrogated further regarding the transfer posting racket. He'll be questioned regarding who all were involved along with him, who were the officials involved, were there any other ministers of Maharashtra government who were involved with him in this Hafta Gate that was going on, in this extortion racket that was being run, who were the other people who were involved in the extortion racket which was being run through some Mumbai police officers by Anil Deshmukh. These are the kind of questions that Enforcement Directorate is going to posed to Anil Deshmukh while he remains in the custody of Enforcement Directorate.
All right, Devesh, thanks for getting us all of those details. Devesh and Vidya, with that story of Anil Deshmukh being arrested, and of course, he was arrested yesterday. They have now got the custody, the ED has now got the custody of Anil Deshmukh till the 6th of November.